Does the thought of managing your finances feel overwhelming? Do you dream of a secure future, but don't know where to start? You're not alone. Building financial wellness is a journey, and it's more accessible than you might think. This video breaks down the essentials with simple, actionable steps you can take right now to build a more secure future with your better self. Let's dive into the foundational steps to building financial wellness. The first crucial step is to understand your current financial picture. This means taking an honest look at your income, expenses, assets, and debts. Track where your money is going for at least a month. Use a budgeting app, a spreadsheet, or even a notebook. Knowing your starting point is essential for making informed decisions and creating a realistic plan. Once you know where your money is going, it's time to create a realistic budget. This is your roadmap for managing your finances. Allocate your income to essential expenses, debt repayment, savings, and discretionary spending. The key is to be realistic and flexible. Your budget should reflect your priorities and values. One of the most important steps towards financial security is to build an emergency fund. This is a savings account specifically for unexpected expenses like medical bills, job loss, or car repairs. Aim for 3-6 months' worth of essential living expenses. Having this cushion can prevent you from going into debt when life throws you a curveball. Paying down high-interest debt is crucial for long-term financial wellness. Debt like credit card balances and payday loans can significantly hinder your progress. Prioritize paying off these debts as quickly as possible. Consider strategies like the debt snowball or debt avalanche method to stay motivated and see results. It's never too early or too late to start saving for the future, even if it's just small amounts. This includes saving for retirement, a down payment on a house, or other long-term goals. Automate your savings so a portion of your income goes directly into your savings accounts. Over time, even small, consistent contributions can grow significantly thanks to the power of compounding. As you build your savings, begin to learn about investing gradually. Investing can help your money grow faster than traditional savings accounts over the long term. Start with basic concepts like stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. Consider opening a low-cost investment account and investing a small portion of your savings. Don't feel pressured to become an expert overnight. Focus on continuous learning. Finally, protect your finances. This includes having adequate insurance coverage to protect against unexpected financial burdens. It also means being mindful of scams and protecting your personal financial information. Taking proactive steps to safeguard your assets is a vital part of financial wellness. To recap your first steps towards financial wellness: 1. Understand your current financial picture. 2. Create a realistic budget. 3. Build an emergency fund. 4. Pay down high-interest debt. 5. Start saving for the future. 6. Learn about investing gradually. 7. Protect your finances. These simple steps are the building blocks of a secure financial future with your better self. Which of these steps will you focus on implementing this week? Share your commitment in the comments below. Your progress can inspire others. If this video provided you with a clear starting point for your financial journey, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Your Better Self for more empowering guides to personal and financial growth. Thank you for watching, and remember, building financial wellness is a marathon, not a sprint. Take it one step at a time and keep striving for your better self.